In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable API Key creation. To get started, open Airtable in your browser and log in to your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Starting from the right account helps avoid confusion later when you assign permissions and choose which bases this token can access. Once you're inside Airtable, head over to the Developer Hub. This is where Airtable provides tools for developers, integrations, and authentication settings. If you've never visited this section before, take your time and look around carefully so you don't miss the option you need. From there, choose the option to create a new personal access token. This token is what allows apps, automations, or external tools to connect securely to your Airtable data without using your regular login directly. In other words, it acts like a secure key that grants specific access based on the permissions you choose. Next, enter a clear and recognizable name for the token. This is important because the name helps you identify what the token is for later. For example, you might label it based on the app, workflow, or project it will be used with. A descriptive name makes token management much easier, especially if you create multiple tokens over time. After naming it, select the scopes, which are the permissions for what the token is allowed to do. Depending on your needs, you may choose options such as reading records, writing records, or managing bases. It's a good idea to only select the permissions that are actually necessary. Keeping access limited is a smart security practice and helps reduce risk if the token is ever exposed. Then, choose the base access. This is where you decide which workspace or specific base the token can interact with. Be careful here and grant access only to the data that the integration truly needs. This keeps your setup organized and protects unrelated bases from unnecessary access. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and generate the token. Airtable will create it for you immediately. After the token appears, copy it right away and store it somewhere secure. This step is very important because tokens are sensitive credentials and should be treated like passwords. Save it in a secure password manager or another protected location so you can retrieve it safely when needed. And that's it. You've successfully created an Airtable personal access token and prepared it for secure use.